I keep receiving a message about a download about the collective, individually and collectively attempting to fight and deny your own nature. That there are many members of the collective right now fighting against their own nature, and this is hurting the soul, damaging the spirit, creating confusion in the mind, in the cerebral space, and a hell of a lot of confusion and conflict between individuals and their guides, as well as between individuals here on the earth plane. Lots of love from Codes of Harmony.